It's here. Mature Makeup Masterclass is finally complete. I have poured my heart and soul into this the last couple months, and it's because I have a real passion to teach women over 40, 50, 60, 70, anything over 40, how to look and feel their best at any age and any stage in life. I broke this down into a curriculum of different videos, so you aren't gonna watch one complete masterclass. It might be a couple videos on foundation depending on your skin type. I'll have a video on concealer. I'll have a video on contour. Do you really need it? I have a video on primer. Do you really need it? I have a video on demi, what everyone knows I love to use under my eyes and to camouflage areas on my face. Most of my video is a lot of, drugstore, but I also have, high-end stuff. So it's really a mixture of products that work for me and also work in my professional kit. And if you don't know, I'm an over 25-year professional makeup artist. I worked in Hollywood starting in 2003, and I still do TV, film, and commercial out here on the East Coast. But I wanted to duplicate myself. My TikTok has exploded, but you can only teach so much in a 1 or 3 minute video. And a lot of women don't want to be on TikTok. And then my YouTube is doing well and I'm happy to be here, but not everyone wants to sit through ads and not everyone understands if a video is sponsored or not. And so to make a curriculum for women over 40 on technique and how to do their skin and face differently as they age is something that I wanted people to pop in and out of at their convenience. Like, it's all in one place. You can access it anytime. You can watch videos all in different order. It doesn't matter, but it's all there for you at early bird pricing. I've purposely priced it low at only $57 because I wanted it to be accessible for all women. I will put a link under the title of this video. You can click on it and learn a little bit more about it, and you can see the curriculum, but it's early bird pricing. The price will go up. It's over 20 videos and they're all about 15, 16 minutes or less. And I know what you're thinking, but why would I pay for videos when everything's free on YouTube and everything's free on social media? Nothing is free, okay? Do you understand that? Nothing is free. Everything is monetized. Almost everything is sponsored by a brand. If it's not, then that's great free content. But this is for women who really want to learn how to do their makeup differently because they've seen a real change in their skin, the structure of their face. Again, you'll learn about a lot of different products and different budgets, but it's really about technique, okay? So hop on over there, check it out. There's no commitment to buy anything. It takes 1 second to click the link, but this is my gift to so many women because I couldn't be everywhere at one place, and I am so excited about it. You're gonna learn so much and you will come away feeling more confident and looking a little bit better. Challenge me, prove me wrong. If your family and friends don't see a difference, I'll be shocked. You're gonna love it. Get over there now.